Hello everyone. Do you ever find yourself struggling to make your day productive? Well, you are not alone. Today in this video, you are going to know the strategies that will help you to transform your day into a super productive one. How to make a productive day. Creating a productive day involves planning, prioritizing, and maintaining focus. Let's understand with the steps how to make a productive day. First thing is set clear goals. Clear goals से मतलब है set some realistic goals which you are capable of achieving it. For example, if you want to get 90% in your exam and if you just keep imagining it, then it will not happen unless you work hard. Therefore, your clear goal should be to study for 4 to 5 hours regular. So start your day by defining what you want to do and break down the goal into smaller tasks. Simple. After setting the goal, the second thing is prioritize the task. Prioritizing the task means identify the most important task and try to finish the work first, which is more important for you. In the beginning, in remaining hour, you can do your remaining work as per your convenience. The third thing is create a schedule. In this, allocate specific time for each task. Divide your time according to your work and make a schedule how much time should be given to each task. Actually, we need to know the value of every minute and where we are spending our each and every minute. Now move to the fourth thing, minimize distraction. This is a very important thing if you want a productive day because distraction is all around us. The most distracted thing is our phone, obviously, so we should keep our phone on silent mode to minimize the distraction until our work is completed. Fifth thing is take regular break. It is also very important to take regular breaks when you are working continuously. Short breaks help you to recharge your energy and maintain concentration. You can also use a technique like working for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. It will help you to stay refreshed all the day. So, the last thing is stay organized. Keep your workspace clutter free and organize your tasks and materials. It helps you to stay focused on your task. So, these tiny steps can help you to make a productive day. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.